Hello friends, welcome back to GK World with Shama's YouTube channel. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It is studied under Indian polity and governance that deals with a wide range of topics such as development of the Constitution, citizenship, fundamental rights, directive principles, the executive, the president, the prime minister and council of ministers, judiciary, state governments, local governments, election system, etc. Here we are giving GK questions and answers on Indian Constitution that will enhance your general knowledge. Number 1. When was the Constitution of India came into effect? Answer: January 26, 1950. Number 2. Who is empowered to transfer a judge from one high court to another high court? Answer: President of India. Number 3. What is the maximum time interval permitted between two sessions of Parliament? Answer: 6 months. Number 4. What is the maximum number of the elected members of Rajya Sabha? Answer: 238. Number 5. Who constitutes the Finance Commission after every 5 years? Answer: the President. Number 6. Which article is related to special address by the President? Answer: Article 87. Number 7. Who is the chairman of Lok Sabha? Answer: Speaker. Number 8. Which constitutional article lays down the provision for a national commission for SC and ST? Answer: Article 338. Number 9. Which community gets special provision for central services in Article 336? Answer: Anglo-Indian community. Number 10. Who is empowered to declare national emergency? Answer: President of India. Number 11. Which constitutional article defines the Panchayati Raj? Answer: Article 243. Number 12. Which constitutional article defines municipalities? Answer: Article 243p. Number 13. The Constitution of India was drafted and enacted in which language? Answer: English. Number 14. Total number of schedules in Constitution of India is? Answer: 12. Number 15. Total number of fundamental rights in Constitution of India is? Answer: 6. Right to equality, right to freedom, cultural and educational rights, constitutional remedies, right to protection and right to vote. Number 16. Who represented Parsis community in Constituent Assembly? Answer: Frank Anthony. Number 17. K.M. Munshi was related to? Answer: Constitution Draft Committee. Number 18. 7th schedule is concerned with? Answer: Partition of powers between center and states. Number 19. What is the meaning of social equality in Indian Constitution? Answer: Equal opportunities for all sections of the societies. Number 20. The language of preamble. of the Indian Constitution is taken from the Constitution of? Answer: Australia. Number 21. Which article is for protection of interests of minorities? Answer: Article 29. Number 22. Who was the chairman of drafting committee? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Number 23. Which article is related with abolition of untouchability? Answer: Article 17. Number 24. Constitution of India was adopted by Constituent Assembly on? Answer: 26 November 1949. Number 25. Which article is related to equal justice and free legal aid? Answer: Article 39A. Hope you like this video. For more videos like this, like and subscribe GK World with Shamas YouTube channel and click the bell icon to stay updated.